Yeah, so this level will be about adding the whole note right hand to the half note right hand. So the whole note right hand sounds like this. So you always hit a note whenever you want to start your left hand. So that's what whole note sounds like. While the half note sounds like this. Two notes here while one hand here. Do you understand? Let me go slower. So if you can rewind and see what I just did, I did one orderly, so do re mi fa so. The last one I just did now, I scattered. So this level is about mixing up both whole notes and the half note. So if we're going to mix the whole note and half note, it will sound something like this. Did you see that? The first one was half note. It had two. The second one was whole note. Let's go again. Whole notes, half notes, whole notes, so something like that. Mix it up. So that's it about this level.